In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the banner image on your Squarespace site. This guide will walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring your website's visuals are just the way you want them. So let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, head over to your website editor. That's where all the magic happens. Once there, your first point of call is to locate the option to add a new content block. Keep an eye out for the Add Block button. Clicking this will allow you to introduce various elements into your page layout, including images, which are essential for crafting an appealing banner. Next, focus on finding the Image option from the selection of blocks available to you. Selecting this option will embed an image-related block into your web page. This is a crucial step in paving the way for customizing your banner. With your image block in place, it's time to make some adjustments. Look for the Edit option associated with your current setup. Clicking Edit will allow you to tweak the existing configurations and set up your new banner image. Now you're ready to add your image. Select the Add an Image option, which will serve as your gateway to uploading a fresh banner. Whether you've got a striking photo or a design you crafted yourself, it's all set to take the stage. With your image selected, hit the Upload File button. Use this feature to select the file from your computer and upload it onto your Squarespace site. This is the moment where your chosen visuals begin to come to life on your page. After successfully adding your image, you're presented with a range of design options. This is where you can get creative. You'll find these options by clicking on Design. Here you can tweak various settings to ensure your banner not only fits your page, but enhances its overall aesthetic appeal. Have a look at the available tools and see what works best with your chosen image. Once you've made those design adjustments, click directly on your image within the editor. This action allows you to access finer controls for editing. You'll notice a set of small squares appear around your image. These are your adjustment handles. By clicking and dragging these squares, you can resize and reposition your banner to suit your desired look and feel. It's a straightforward way to get that exact fit and placement. After you've fine-tuned your image to perfection, the final step is simple. Click Babfofei. This ensures all your adjustments are applied and your new banner is live on your site. Your changes are now sealed and you can enjoy the new look of your website. And there you have it, a new banner image that enhances your Squarespace site, styled and configured exactly how you envisioned it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in giving your website a fresh and appealing look.